In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can stay at the comfort of your home and make money online with Swagbucks. Alright? If you're a beginner and you want to make money online, or you want to know how to use Swagbucks to make money online, this is definitely the right video for you. Okay? All I want you to do is to pay good attention and stick to the end of this video so that you don't miss out on any step. Okay? If you have a phone or a laptop and an access to the internet, you can actually get everything started for this website and start making money right away, guys. Alright? And no matter where you are in the world, no matter where you live in the world, be in Africa, America, Asia, Europe, Oceania, no matter where you come from, you can still get started on Swagbucks and start making money right away, guys. So your location is not going to be something that is going to hold you back. Alright, if you come to my paper right here, you'll see that on the 15th of March 2022, Swagbucks actually sent me $350. Okay, the main reason why I'm showing you this is that I'm not that random person who has it make money online and teaching people how to make money online. Alright, I just want you to believe in the process and believe in yourself. At the end, you're gonna cash out some money, bro. Okay, now you might be thinking, this Swagbucks that you're talking about, how does it even work? Now, Swagbucks actually gives you the opportunity to make money online in many different ways. Alright, starting from shopping online. Okay, then gives you the opportunity to shop online and in return earn money from it. Okay, answering of questions, that is sharing your opinion on basic topic. Okay, watching videos, discovering offers, search the webs, play games and mobile apps. All of these are different ways of which you can actually make money from Swagbucks. Alright, and if all of these things that I just said interest you, what you need to do is to go ahead and create your account. Doing that, you can just click here that says sign up, click on the button and you're gonna be on this page. Alright, it's pretty straightforward like I said earlier in the video, and it's very easy. What you need to do is to put in your email address here, put in your password and confirm your password. Okay, and if you actually use the link in the description of this video to sign up, they're gonna give you some bonus to get everything started. Okay, and once you've done that, you're gonna hit on sign up, or if you use the link directly, it's gonna take you to this page where you can actually do it in the same way. Alright, and once you log in, the whole page is gonna look like this. Alright, after you must have confirmed the email, because actually they are gonna send you a confirmation email. You're gonna check your spam folder if you don't see it on the main page. Alright, just click on the email, then it's gonna take you to this place. Before we go further into the video, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Wilson. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. On this channel, I teach people how to possibly stay at home and make money online. So if you are that type of person who is looking for different ways and strategies that you can use to make money online, you can subscribe to this channel so that whenever I upload a new video like this on how to make money, you're gonna be the first person to be notified by YouTube. And when you're that first person to notify, you know what that means? You're gonna be the first person to watch the video and be the first person to start making money with what I will be teaching in the video. Alright, and if you find this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video out to more people who are looking for ways to make money online. Like I said earlier in the video, there are various ways of which you can use to make money on Swagbucks. Alright, the very first one is through answer. Okay, this answer right here is basically surveys. When you click on it, everything beneath is going to be surveys. If you're the type of person who like to do survey, you can actually go for this. Okay, and the second option is through shopping. Here you have two options, so which is shop home and the one of coupon. Alright, here is where you're going to be shopping and be having cashback on every shopping that you make. Alright, you're going to be having cashback, and at the end you're still going to be generating money from the things you are buying already. Okay, while the other one is for coupon, you're going to be pretty coupon and be generating some few cents. And the third option that you can use to make money on Swagbucks is what we call Discover. And under Discover, we have what we call Discover Home. If you click on it, Discover Home, you're going to be having all new offers that are posted on Swagbucks. Alright, that is the reason why it's called Discover Home. All the new offers are going to be appearing on the home page, and you're going to be seeing it on the home page. That's why it's called Discover Home. And the games is where you'll be playing games on Swagbucks and be making money. Why the sign up is basically self-explained. And when you click on the reward, here is where you will draw your money. If I should click on it, it's going to be like this. You cannot cash out your earnings by Amazon or by PayPal, and you must have a minimum threshold of $5 before you can cash out. And when you click on the more button, you're going to have something like playing games, mobile apps, or swag button. Swag buttons like Google extension that you're going to install on your browser and be using it, and they're going to be giving you some money for using the software. You can also refer your friends and earn money on Swagbucks. If you have so many friends, if you have some friends who are willing to make money online, you can actually click here and share them your links, and they are going to be using your links to log in. You're going to be generating some affiliate revenue. Alright, and it's not going to be affecting what they are going to be earning. Hear me well, it's not going to be affecting what they are going to be earning. They are just your referrals. Alright? Right now I'm going to explain to you how I was able to make this $350 from Swagbucks. Alright? What I need you to do right now is to pay good attention so that you understand what the contest is all about. Alright? Now if you're on the home page and you want to try out any of the offers, what you need to do is always to click on it, and once you click on it, you're going to have all the option, what the website that you're going to be visiting, what it's all about, what the offers is all about. Alright, like this very one right here that said ready achievement unlock. If I should click on it, it's going to bring out all the information what the offer is all about. Like here it said I'm going to earn 400 Swagbucks. 100 Swagbucks equals $1, so 400 Swagbucks equals $4. Like here they say if I should sign up to this offer, I'm going to be giving 400 Swagbucks. Okay, the main way you can make more money from Swagbucks is not by doing survey or all other things. It's by doing what is called trade by barter. Right? Because some of these offers that are willing to pay big money, what they want you to do is for you to sign up, and at the end of the day, if you sign up, they're going to be giving you more money that you invested initially. Alright, like this one right here is going to offer you 1,250 Swagbucks. Alright, if you are a game person, a person who loves to play game, alright, or you have a friend who loves to play game, you can actually install some of these games on your phone or your friend's phone and play it, and at the end you're gonna be making some real money out of Swagbucks. Alright, the money that I make on this website, I did do it one day. Okay, you're gonna put in a little time, and this website is not going to make you rich, but at the end of the day you're gonna have something out of it if you are willing to invest some time in it. Alright, and you can see most of the offer here are going to be paying you 2,000 Swagbucks. That's like $20, 2,000 Swagbucks. Alright, and to maximize your earning, you will only go for the high offers. If you click on discover again and you go to sign up, this is where the real magic is. This is the main way how I was able to make the money that I've made from Swagbucks. Alright, if you click on the discover, you will come to sign up. Many of the offers here are going to be signed up. Alright, you can see the very first one is most popular website for freelancer, which is Fiverr. Alright, if you click on it, you're going to have what it's all about. Okay, you can see here it said for freelancer, all they need to do is just for you to sign up and make a purchase of at least $20, and once you've done that, they're going to give you 4,000 Swagbucks. 4,000 Swagbucks equals $40. If you purchase something of $20, and then you're going to be having $40. That is the reason why I call it on my own trade by barter. Alright, you sign up to them, you pay $20, and at the end they're going to give you 4,000 Swagbucks, which is $40. Alright, doing that, you're not losing any money. Okay, because Swagbucks is a popular website with high reputation. Alright, you can see many of the offer here are of high range. Okay, like this very one right here, Remitly. Okay, if you click on it, you're going to see what it's all about. On this offer here, they want you to make a transaction of at least $100. You can actually send this money to any of your other bank or even to any of your family members account. Alright, and once you reach this threshold, they're going to give you $25. Guys, to make money online is based on your technical ability. Alright, you must think out of the box. Okay, once you start applying different strategies like this on this Swagbucks, at the end you're going to be cashing out big money just as the way I did. Alright, so making money online requires not more effort but more strategies and more techniques. Okay, if you wise up, you're going to start making money online. Okay, so if you watch this video to this point and you are not so convinced to use this website, I have many other videos on my channel that can possibly show you different ways and strategies that you can use to make money online. If you click on this playlist here, it's going to show you different ways and strategies that you can use to make money online. Alright, or even this video also is going to properly direct you to a specific website that's going to be mind-blowing for you. Alright, make sure to check it out. See you next time we post another video again on how to stay at home and make money online. Cheers, peace out.